You must be hearing a lot of buzz about data analysis. It is because data analysis is one of the fastest growing field all over the world and it's creating lot of jobs every day. No doubt you want to be part of it. There are not many university programs available for this skill right now, so it's hard for employers to judge a candidate. In that case, a reputed certificate will make all the difference that is needed. If you get a good certification, it will help you stand out among the crowd and provide you with the skills that are needed to be a data analyst. Hello, my name is Aditya Dandi from StarTech Academy, where you can learn all the skills needed to be a data analyst like MS Excel, SQL, R, Python, machine learning, deep learning, and many more. We provide training and certification in over 40 courses. More than a million students have already enrolled in our courses on Udemy. We have 4.5 rating on most of our courses. So don't get left behind and check out our courses on Udemy or on our website startechacademy.com. All the links are in the description. There are a lot of certification providers present in the market. It's hard to choose which one will be most beneficial to you. So there are different criteria that you should keep in mind while choosing a certification. We have chosen the 10 most reputed certifications for you and we will be judging them based on the following criteria. First one is organization. Who is providing this certification? Second, prerequisites. Are there any skills you need to have to get this certificate? Third, the exam. Will there be an exam? Fourth, duration. How long it will take you to get this certification? Fifth, skill learned. What kind of skill you will learn during this certification? Sixth, price. How much it will cost you? So, without any delay, let's get started. First one is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. You will get this certificate after completion of 8 courses. Throughout these courses, you will gain skills that prepare you for an entry level job. At under 10 hours per week, you can complete this certificate in less than 6 months. Organization Google. Prerequisites are nothing. This course is designed for beginners. Exam. There are quizzes and tests in between the courses. You need to complete those tests in order to get certificate. Duration. It will take around 6 months to complete this course. Skill learned. You will learn Google Spreadsheet, SQL, R programming language, data cleaning, data analysis, data visualization, decision making, problem solving, metadata, data collection, data ethics, and other skills too. Price. This course is available on Coursera. Coursera charges 39 USD for 1 month. This course take almost 6 months to complete, so it will cost you around 234 USD. There is another point you should consider. Nowadays, Python programming language is getting more and more popular for data analysis. But in this certification, they will be teaching R programming language, which is now less popular for data analysis. Another thing you should consider is they are using Google Spreadsheet but not Excel sheet. Second certificate is IBM Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This certificate is also available on Coursera. You do not need any prior programming or statistics skill to attend this course. In this course, you will work with various data sources, project scenarios, and data analysis tools, including Excel, SQL, Python, Jupyter Notebooks, and Cognos Analytics. Organization that provide this certification is IBM. Prerequisites are nothing. This course is designed for beginners. Exam. There are quizzes and tests in between the courses. You need to complete all those tests to get the certification. Duration, it will take almost 11 months to complete this certification. Skill learn, tools for data science methodology, Python for data science, databases and SQL for data science, data analysis with Python, data visualization with Python, machine learning with Python, and applied data science capstone. Price, monthly subscription of Coursera cost you around $39. So it will cost you around 429 USD. Other point to consider is duration of this course is 11 months and it is a lot of time to invest. There are other courses available which teach the same skill but in very less time. Next one in the list is Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. Microsoft offers one of the leading data analyst certification. The Data Analyst Associate is ideal certificate for people who want to be a data analyst. You need to pass DA100 exam to get this certification. Organization who is providing this certificate is Microsoft. Prerequisites are nothing. This course is designed for beginners. Exam, you need to give a exam that is called DA100. Duration, it is self-paced. If you have the skill, you can give the exam right away without spending any time on learning. Skill learn. Get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. Prepare data for analysis. Model data in Power BI. Visualize data in Power BI. Data analysis in Power BI. Manage workspaces and datasets in Power BI. Price. Pricing is based on country. For USA, it is 165 USD. Next one is Associate Certified Analytics Professional. This course is made for entry-level analytic professionals. Organization that provide this certification is Inforums. Prerequisites are you should have a MA or MS in related area or less than 3 years of professional experience. Exam, yes, you have to take an exam called ACAP exam. Duration, it will take 4 months to get this certification. Skill learn, business problem farming, analytics problem farming, data, methodology selection, model building, deployment, and life cycle management. Price, it will cost you 200 USD if you are a Inforums member, but if you are a non-member then it will cost you 300 USD. Next one in the list is Certified Analytics Professional. All the analytics oriented organizations value this certification. Organization that provide this certification is Inforums. Prerequisites are you should have a MA or MS in related area or more than 3 years of experience. Exam, yes, you have to give an exam called CAP exam. Duration, it is self-paced. You can give the exam right away without spending any time on learning. Skill learned, end-to-end understanding of the analytics process from farming businesses and analytic problems to acquire data, methodology, model building, deployment, and model lifecycle management. Price, it is 495 USD for Inforums members and for non-members it is 695 USD. Next one is SAS Certified Data Analyst. For individuals who want to analyze big data with variety of statistical analysis and who uses predictive modeling techniques. Organization that provide this certification is SAS. Prerequisites, this certification is designed for professionals, so you should have all the skills of data analyst. Exam, there are 3 exams that you can take. First one is SAS Certified Predictive Modeler. Second one is Certified Specialist, Advanced Predictive Modeling. Third one is SAS Specialist, Text Analysis, Time Series, Experimentation and Optimization. Duration. You can take the exams right away without spending any time on learning. Skill learned. Machine learning, modeling techniques, optimization techniques, time series forecasting and other core areas. Price. Fee for first exam is 250 USD and for second and third exam it is 180 USD. So total it will cost you 610 USD. Next one is AWS Certified Data Analytics. AWS Certified Data Analytics is for individuals who have experience in AWS services. It is for individuals who can design, build, secure and maintain data analytics solution. To earn this certification, you need to take and pass AWS DAS C01 exam. Organization that provide this certification is Amazon. Prerequisites: you should have 2 years of experience in AWS. Additionally, 5 years of experience with data analytics technologies. Exam: you have to take AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. Skill learned: Amazon AWS does not provide any training as a part of this certification. Price: the certification exam will cost you 300 USD. EMC Proven Professional Data Scientist Associate. This certification will provide you practical foundation learning training that enables immediate and effective participation in big data and other analytics projects. Organization that provide this certification is Dell EMC Educational Services. Prerequisites: this certification is designed for professionals. Exam: you have to take DEA 7TT2 exam. Duration: it is self-paced. There are on-demand classes for preparation. Skill learned: Introduction to Big Data Analysis, Data Analytics Lifecycle, Basic Data Analytics Method using R, Advanced Analytics Theory and Methods, Advanced Analytics Technology and Tools, Data Visualization Techniques. Price: exam will cost you 230 USD and if you want on-demand classes, it will cost you 1500 USD. Another point to consider is nowadays Python programming is getting more popular for data analysis, but this certificate include R programming language, which is now less popular for data analysis. Next one is Certification of Professional Achievement in Data Science by Columbia University. This program is offered by Columbia University. You need to complete at least 12 credits to get this certification. It is non-degree part-time program. Organization that provide this certification is Columbia University. Prerequisites: it include 4 required courses, that is basic knowledge of programming, a basic grounding in calculus and linear algebra, background in probability and statistics. Exam: there are quizzes and tests in this course that you need to complete in order to get the certification. Duration: 12 credit hours, that is roughly 1 semester, which is around 6 months. Skill learned: algorithms for data science, probability and statistics, machine learning, exploratory data analysis and visualization. Price: it will cost you 2196 USD per credit plus a technology fees of 395 USD per course, which is non-refundable. So in total it will cost you 31,092 USD. Another point to consider is this is the most expensive certificate in this list. You can consider other option if you don't want to spend this much money on this certificate. Next one is Cloudera Certified Associate Data Analyst. In this course, you will learn data analytics and business intelligence skills. You will learn to access, manipulate, transform, and analyze complex data sets. You will perform these tasks with the help of SQL and familiar scripting languages. Organization that provide this certification is Cloudera. Prerequisites: this certification is designed for beginners. Exam: you have to take an exam called CEA Data Analyst exam. Duration: it is self-paced. You can give the exam right away without spending any time on learning. Skill learned: Apache Hadoop fundamentals, introduction to Apache Hive and Impala, querying with Apache Hive and Impala, common operators and built-in functions, data management, data storage and performance, working with multiple datasets, analytics functions and windowing, complex data, analyzing text, Apache Hive, choosing the best tool for the job. Price: the exam will cost you 295 USD. It will cost you 3195 USD for virtual classes and 2235 USD for on demand. All these certifications have few things in common. They all are provided by reputed organizations. You can't go wrong by choosing any of them. You should make your decision based on where you want to be in your career, what areas of data analytics interest you, what is your experience level, and your budget. If none of the above courses suits you and you want to learn all the skills for data analysis independently, you can learn it on Udemy or on StarTech Academy website. We provide more than 40 courses and more than 1 million students already enrolled in our courses. So you should check out our courses and our website. And don't forget to subscribe the channel because we frequently upload videos on data analysis, business analytics and data science. Thank you.